Universal life insurance. It sounds pretty great, doesn't it? Like a dream come true for anyone looking to secure their future, like something a superhero would have. A plan that promises to protect you and your loved ones no matter what. Universal coverage for your life? Sign me up. It feels like you're getting the best of both worlds. But hold on there, champ, because this type of life insurance is about as straightforward as a maze designed by a bunch of toddlers. It's not as simple as it seems. Here's the basic idea. It's supposed to cover you for life, hence the life insurance part. But it also has this whole cash value thing. This is where it gets interesting. You pay in, some of it goes towards insuring you, and some gets invested to hopefully grow over time. Sounds kinda nice, right? Like a savings account with a safety net. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because it's about to get messy. The reality is a bit more complicated. This cash value part is where things get hairy. It's not just about putting money in and watching it grow. See, the insurance company gets to dip their hands into your money. A lot. They have their own interests to look after. They take out fees for managing it, fees for investing it, fees for just looking at it funny. Every little thing has a cost. And trust me, these fees aren't small. They can eat into your cash value significantly, leaving you with less than you might expect. Remember that investment part we talked about? Yeah, about that. It's crucial to understand the hidden costs involved. See, those fees the insurance company charges, they eat away at your cash value like termites on a picnic table. You might not notice it at first, but over time it can cause significant damage. And guess what? Those fees can change over time. They can increase, making it even harder for your investment to grow. So what you thought you were getting might not be what you actually end up with. The fine print can be deceiving and the terms can shift. Think of it like this. You're at a carnival and you see a game where you throw a ring onto a bottle. It looks easy, right? But the bottles are covered in glue and the rings are made of jelly. The odds are stacked against you from the start. You might win, but it's rigged against you. The game is designed to make you lose more often than you win. That's what universal life insurance can feel like. A rigged game where the house always wins. It's essential to be aware of these pitfalls to protect your hard-earned money. Here's the other kicker with universal life insurance, the terms and conditions. Oh boy, the terms and conditions. They're like reading the entire Wikipedia page for quantum physics in a foreign language while riding a roller coaster. Confusing? Absolutely. These policies are notoriously complex. They're full of jargon and confusing language that even financial experts have trouble deciphering. And you know what that means? It's easy to get tricked. You think you're getting one thing, but you end up with something completely different. Section 4, Term Life, the simple and affordable hero. Now, let's talk about a better option, term life insurance. It's like the sensible, reliable friend of the life insurance world. No fancy bells and whistles, just straightforward protection. You pay a premium for a specific period, like 20 or 30 years, and if you die during that time, your beneficiaries get a payout. Simple as that. And guess what? Term life insurance is way cheaper than universal life, like way cheaper. That's because you're not paying for all those confusing investment components and hefty fees. You're just paying for pure life insurance coverage. Section 5. Don't be a statistic. Choose wisely. Look, I get it. Insurance isn't exactly the most thrilling topic to discuss at a dinner party, but it's important. It's one of those things that you might not think about until it's too late. It's about protecting your loved ones if something happens to you. It's about ensuring their future is secure, even in your absence. Don't get tricked by the fancy name and promises of universal life insurance. It might sound appealing, but often it's not what it seems. It's often a raw deal, and there are better options out there. Do your research. Ask questions, be proactive in understanding what you're getting into, and seriously consider term life insurance. It's straightforward and does the job without any hidden surprises. It's like the reliable car that gets you where you need to go without all the unnecessary bells and whistles. It's dependable and does exactly what you need it to do. Remember, when it comes to life insurance, simplicity and affordability are your best friends. They ensure you get the coverage you need without breaking the bank. Don't settle for anything less. Make the choice that's right for you and your family. Choose wisely. Pause. In conclusion, while universal life insurance might seem appealing at first glance, it's crucial to understand its complexities and potential pitfalls. The allure of fancy names and promises can often mask the reality of hidden costs and intricate details that may not work in your favor. Instead, consider simpler and more affordable options that provide the coverage you need without the hidden costs. Term life insurance, for instance, is a straightforward, reliable choice that ensures your loved ones are protected without the burden of unnecessary expenses. Remember, it's not about the flashiness of the product, it's about the security and peace of mind it offers. Making an informed decision is your strongest tool in safeguarding your financial future. So, take the time to do your research, ask the right questions, and choose wisely. Your future self and your loved ones will thank you.